I'm with Mitchell One. My name's Jim Haas. I'm Regional Sales Manager on the East Coast. And I'm here today to go over some of the new features and enhancements to our wiring diagrams. These are patent pending features and are designed to help the shop and the technician get the job fixed and repaired in a more efficient manner, thus getting more cars repaired during a month. I've already done the search here for a P0121 code. I'm going to select the mass airflow sensor with that option. And when that comes up, I pick my wiring diagram card, and I'm going to select this top wiring diagram. Now, with that search, one of the things that we're doing here at Mitchell One that's better than what all the competitors are doing is when I did that search, the software automatically highlighted all the wires associated with that mass airflow sensor with that clicking on the diagram. So the technician does not need to select the wires he wants to highlight. We did that for him in his search term. That improves efficiency and so forth. I can click the eyeball and gray out the other wires to make it easier to follow. And these highlighted wires, as I scroll left and right, are highlighted through the entire 5-page diagram in this instance. So if I go back here to page 3, you'll notice we got a couple wires coming off to the right-hand side. They go on to page 4 and thus on to page 5. This allows the technician who's maybe not as sharp with wiring diagrams to see, with a little bit of a zoom, that the same fuse that supplies the mass airflow sensor also supplies the lifter control mechanism and a canister purge solenoid. This is a huge benefit to the shop so that one of those components does not create an issue and cause a misdiagnosis or the tech going down a rabbit hole and looking at the mass airflow sensor. Additionally, if I go back to page 1, we've put some features into the diagrams that allow it to tie different systems together. So everything in blue is a link, just like on the internet. So if I click on air conditioning, this will take me to the air conditioning circuits also for that same vehicle. That is a huge time savings. You don't need to exit the diagram to go back. If I just click X, it backs up to exactly where I was, and I don't lose my place at all. If I need specifications, diagnosing information, anything to do with that mass airflow sensor, you can click on the blue link, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little better. Drag that diagram up. I can click on this blue link, and this menu will appear over here on the right-hand side. That allows me to go to all the guided component tests, component location, all that type of information from one place, right on the wiring diagram. Saves time, improves efficiency, and gives us the best wiring diagrams that we're known for years.